Hello. So let me present to you DraftSync, the self-hosted collaborative writing and editorial workflow plugin for WordPress. So it will create this kind of collaborative post editor interface. So here you will be able to collaborate with your teammates. And let me show you, this is the admin logged in. And this other incognito window has the Emma user logged in, and if we also refresh it, it will load up. So what you will get is this very modern interface where people will be able to collaborate and write. So let me show you that both are the same, and let me add some text here, and if we go, it will be also updated with latest changes. Also, if people want, they can write with this tool, writing tool, and highlighter tool. This will highlight the parts that they want. They can create lines, arrows, and also shapes like rectangles, circles, write text, and also do eraser, like erase stuff. So if we want, we can erase the previous stuff that we did. So if we manage to click that, yes, so here it is, the stuff are erased, and also the other window will show the updates in live mode. So also you will have this Google Docs style cursor here where it shows where the other is currently placing their cursor. So many other cool features will be there, like this full post editor where you will have the ability to add media, paragraphs, and other stuff. With also you can clear all text, and you can copy editor link and send it to others, the users that are currently connected, and some other stuff and features like chat with the others who are connected. And if we go back, we can see that we got a chat message. Also in comments, we can add a comment, and this is a cool document. We can assign the comment and also add attachment files to the comment. So post it, and here it is. For Emma, she will, for our admin account, actually Emma posted a comment and the comment appears here. We can resolve it or reply to it, and if we reply, similarly we can attach a file, reply, and cancel. But if we resolve it, it will disappear, and it will be marked as solved. Also, we can do suggestions. So suggestions work like this. You can highlight a text. So for example, let's highlight this part, and we can suggest a replacement and also explanation, and add a suggestion. Suggestions also appear in the front end for everybody who is connected, as you can see. So admin and Emma both see the same here. Also access, we can remove Emma from getting access to this editor, and we can re-invite her afterwards, or we can simply add new users for our collaborative editor. So let's try removing Emma. I hope she will not mind it. So let's remove her. And if we go back to Emma here, your access to this draft was removed, and we can re-add her. And in this case, she will get an email that she was re-added. So actually, this is the Emma that I'm looking for. And we re-added Emma. We will be able to refresh this and get access once again to this collaborative workspace. Also, history shows everything that happened and all changes which happened to the document. We can restore each of these freely. Okay, so also we have an editorial workflow which needs to be enabled from WordPress. So let me show you the admin part of the plugin, as it is quite feature rich plugin. So let's go to DraftSync, and here you will have activity and reports of what happened on your site and what happened in the plugin. And in the settings part, this is where I want to show you actually that you can set auto create DraftSync draft for new posts, the post type for which you want to enable these auto creations, and actually also manual creations of these post DraftSync controls, and also how the plugin will behave, allow editor links or require invitation first. So if you set it to allow editor links, then anyone with the link will be able to connect directly to your DraftSync without you actually inviting them here. However, if you set it to require invitation first, nobody will be able to connect except the ones listed here in the access field of the plugin. Also, we have some notifications, some Slack connections, and sync all WordPress sites and content. And we have the permissions part where we can change how the roles actually behave. We have full editor, lead editor, comment reviewer, approver, and viewer. So these are also the default roles for WordPress roles. And in workflow, this is the part which I wanted to show you, that you can enable these editorial workflow stages, and in this case the workflow widget will appear here, and you will be able to progress from draft to review, approval, and ready to publish using this button. And you can assign also a responsible person, due date, and status note, and you can set here, you can see here the timeline, and you can advance one step. And after you advance to the ready to publish, the publish button will become available. So you can also disable this. So disable this widget actually fully if you disable this feature from the workflow part of the plugin. And in this case, this will be disabled and publishing will be possible from the start. Okay, so now let me show you also the bottom part of the editor. You have preview changes, edit, publish, set a featured image, categories. You can create categories here. So like this, you can create a new category and it will be simply assigned to the post. You can create a comma separated list of tags and set excerpt, and also allow comments and pingbacks, trackbacks. So you can see that the plugin is quite complex. You will have real-time notifications here, and each connected person will have these notifications here visible. And you can also highlight stuff and will have the ability to add a comment using this. Also suggest replacements directly here in the WordPress site. You can see and go in and suggest a replacement, and in this case a new replacement will be created in the suggestions here. So here it is, replacement. This is the latest one that we added, and it is listed also here. Okay, so this little toolbar will have also some other useful stuff like bold, italic, and lists and quote and stuff. Okay, so this is the plugin. In a hindsight, you can check it in detail. If you go to WPBay, DraftSync, you will find it there, and you will be able to purchase it directly from there. I will leave a link in this video description for the plugin. I hope it will be useful for you guys. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.